Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss next important questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English literature related teaching exams as a practice set 24. So let's start. Question number 1. The Time Machine was written by H.G. Wells, Conrad, Samuel Butler, Dickens. What will be correct answer? The Time Machine was written by H.G. Wells. So the correct answer will be option A. The Time Machine, first novel by H.G. Wells, published in book form in 1895. The novel is considered one of the earliest works of science fiction and the progenitor of the time travel subgenre. Next question. New Critics was first used by Eliot, I.A. Richard, Oscar Wilde, Ruskin. What will be correct answer? New Critics was first used by I.A. Richards. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Eliot got the Nobel Prize in 1947, 1948, 1949, 1950. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1948. Option B will be the right answer. On November 4, 1948, T.S. Eliot wins the Nobel Prize in Literature for his profound effect on the direction of modern poetry. Next question. Khushwant Singh's last novel is Delhi, Train to Pakistan, A Mountain, India. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Train to Pakistan. Khushwant Singh's last novel is Train to Pakistan. Option B will be the right answer. He experienced the partition of India in 1947, which inspired him to write Train to Pakistan in 1956, his most well-known novel. In 1974, he was honored with the Padma Bhushan by India's president. In 2007, Khushwant Singh was awarded the Padma Vibhushan. Last book, The Sunset Club. Next question. The bloodless revolution took place in 1670, 1678, 1688, 1690. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1688. Option C will be the right answer. The bloodless revolution took place in 1688. The bloodless revolution took place in 1670, 1678, 1688, 1690. What will be correct answer? The bloodless revolution took place in 1688. So the option C will be the right answer. Glorious revolution or bloodless revolution or revolution of 1688. In English history, the events of 1688-89 that resulted in the deposition of James II and the accession of his daughter Mary II and her husband William III. Next question. Fairy Queen was published in 1590, 1591, 1592, 1593. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1590. Option A will be the right answer. Fairy Queen was published in 1590. Option A will be the right answer. The first three books of Spenser's The Fairy Queen were published in 1590. Books 4 of 6 followed in 1596 along with a revised edition of books 1 to 3. Next question. According to Arnold, what is lacking in Chaucer? Good language, high seriousness, the touchstone, lyrical quality. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be lyrical quality. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Yeats received the Nobel Prize in 1920, 1921, 1922, 1923. What will be correct answer? Yeats received the Nobel Prize in 1923. Option D will be the right answer. The 1923 Nobel Prize in Literature was awarded in the Irish poet and dramatist William Butler Yeats 1933 for his always inspired poetry, which in a highly artistic form gives expression to the spirit of a whole nation. He was the first Irish Nobel laureate in literature. Next question. Who wrote the Life of Scott? Moore, Lockhart, Boswell, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Lockhart. Option B will be the right answer. Lockhart wrote the Life of Scott. Option B will be the right answer. John Gibson Lockhart born July 14, 1794, Visa, Lanarkshire, Scott, died November 25, 1854, Abbotsford, near Melrose, Roxburghshire, was a Scottish critic, novelist, and biographer, best remembered for his Life of Sir Walter Scott, 1837-38, enlarged 1839, one of the great biographies in English. Next question. Stream of consciousness was first used by Freud, William James, C.G. Jung, Joyce. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be stream of consciousness was first used by William James. Option B will be the right answer. The term was first used by the psychologist William James in the Principles of Psychology 1890. As the psychological novel developed in 20th century, some writers attempt to capture the total flow of their characters' consciousness rather than limit themselves to rational thoughts. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.